Hi guys, join us on our mini vlog for tonight. My friends and I decided to go to a balot store since we were craving for some balot. We first ordered 3 pieces of 16-day balot and 1 balot penoy. This is our fave store if we were craving for some balot, since we really like their suka or what we call sinamak, and it really goes well with the balot. Since we are really craving for some balot, we add another 3 pieces of 16-day balot, and then another 3 pieces of 16-day balot and 1 balot penoy. Then we ordered 1 piece of chicharon for 15 pesos and some soft drinks. Since it was raining, we are craving for some mommy, and we decided to go to our fave Asian food house, which is the Asian Cucina. Asian Cucina is the perfect place if we are craving for some Asian cuisine. They offer a wide variety of Asian cuisines like Malaysian mami, Thai mami, Japanese ramen, and many more. Aside from that, Asian Cucina also offers some iced coffee, milk teas, fruit smoothies, fruit shakes, and many more. We ordered their Malaysian mami since it is the best to enjoy during the rainy season. If you wanted to add more flavors, you can request some black pepper or some patis and some calamansi to the counter. And that's all for tonight. Thank you and see you soon on our next vlog.